What Angie's written is a very European film. It's sparse, very elegant in its telling.
C'est très audacieux de sa part d'avoir tenté cette aventure plus expérimentale, plus marginale même, dans laquelle elle dit quelque chose, sans doute, de ce qui traîne dans sa tête, de ce qui traîne dans son cœur.
You want to hurt me? Hmm? Do it. Hurt me. Get it over with. Go ahead.
I wrote By the Sea because I wanted to explore grief. Much of the film and my character is very much about my mother and my feelings about my mother. When the bartender speaks and speaks about loss, that's how I reflect on her. It's how I feel about her death. Everybody in the film represents a different way of addressing grief. Some have yet to experience it, some are able to come to terms with it, and some are overwhelmed by it.
Si on aime vraiment quelqu'un, on veut plus pour l'autre que pour soi-même. Vous comprenez ça?
I love films that make you walk away thinking and still trying to put the pieces together. That's the beauty and the freedom given to more independent style films. They don't have to reach every audience. They don't have to check every box. You can leave things open, unanswered, because that's life.